Alright, Milo. What is this?
Circle. Oh.
Circle?
Circle.
What about that?
Triangle.
Triangle? What about that?
Well.
A square? What is that?
M.
M? What is that?
I.
I? What about that?
L.
L? And what about that?
L.
That.
O.
O? What does that say? What does that say?
Wait. What the M and O?
But what does it say?
O?
What does this say?
No.
Milo?
Milo.